Good morning, dear students. In a previous lecture, we have studied about the various form of the equation of straight line. Okay, students, we find the equation of x-axis y equal to 0 and equation of y-axis x equal to 0, point slope form, that means line have the slope m and passing through the point x0 comma y0, then the equation of the straight line y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus 0, and third form is the 2 point form. Third is the 2 point form, line passing through the 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, then the equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Fourth is slope intercept form, y equal to mx plus c and y equal to mx minus d. And fifth is the intercept form x upon a y upon b equal to 1, and 6 is the normal form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. We have learned in a previous lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, students, today we are going to solve exercise 10.2 related to these formula. Okay, students, first question is write the equation of x-axis and y-axis. Question first is the exercise 10.2. Question first is the find the equation of x-axis and y-axis. Okay, students, here we have learned in the previous lecture equation of the x-axis is y equal to equation of x-axis y equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. X-axis is equal to y equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Okay, students, let us move question number 2. Passing through the points minus 4 comma 3 with a slope 1 by 2. Find the equation of the straight line. Passing through minus 4 comma 3 and slope 1 by 2 with slope 1 by 2. Okay, students, here points x comma x0 comma y0 minus 4 comma 3 and the slope of the line 1 by 2. Given that line passing through a points minus 4 comma 3 and line passing through a points minus 4 comma 3 and having a slope 1 by 2. Okay students. Here we use the formula point slope form. If the line passes through a point x0 comma y0 with a slope m, then the equation of straight line is y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0. Okay students, the equation of line y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0. This implies that value of y0 is, students, the value of y0 is the 3, y minus 3 is equal to value of m is equal to 1 by 2 and value of x0, and the value of x0 is the minus 4, here minus 4. This implies that y minus 3 1 by 2 x minus plus 4. This implies that here we transferred 2 1 by 2 in a left hand side, 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4. This implies that x minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0, which is a equation of straight line passing through the point minus 4 comma 3 with a slope 1 by 2. Okay students, let us move question number 3. Question number 3. Find the equation of the line passing through 0 comma 0 with a slope m. Find the equation of the straight line passing through 0 comma 0 with slope m. Okay students, which is a passes through 0 comma 0 with a slope m. Okay students, we find the equation of line L, which is a passes through point 0 comma 0 with a slope m. Here also using point slope form. Given that x 0 comma y 0 is 0 comma 0 and m equal to m. That means slope of L is m. Okay students, we use the formula point slope form. Y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0. This implies that y minus 0, here y0 is the 0, m is the m, and x minus x0 is the also 0. This implies that y equal to mx. The equation of the straight line passing through the point 0 comma 0 with a slope m is y equal to mx, y equal to mx. Okay student, this is answer. Let us move question number 4. Question number 4. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point 2, 2 square root 3 and inclined with x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. Okay students, here find the equation of line passing through 2, 2 square root 3, 2, 2 square root 3 and inclined with x-axis, inclined with x-axis at an angle 75 degree. Okay students, we find the equation of the line passing through the points 2, 2 square root 3 and make the angle with the x-axis is the 75 degree. Okay students, we find the equation of a line L. Here given that theta equal to 75 degree and point x y0 is equal to 2 root 3. Okay students, here the inclination of the line are given. Then we find the slope of the line. Slope of line m is equal to tan theta. We know that slope of the line m equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan 75 degree. Slope of a line m equal to tan theta. Here theta equal to 75 degree, then m equal to tan 75 degree. We find the value of tan 75 degree. Okay students, m equal to tan 75 is the written as 30 plus 45 degree. Okay student, this implies that m equal to tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay students, that means tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. Okay students, this implies that m is equal to, what is the value of tan 45 degree? Tan 45 degree is the value of tan 45 degree is the 1 and value of tan 30 is the 1 upon square root 3. Okay students, and here we using the formula tan alpha plus beta equal to tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Here we observe that 45 and 30 alpha is the 45 degree and beta is the 30 degree. Then using by this formula m equal to tan 45 plus tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30 degree. Okay students, we put the value of tan 45 and tan 30. M equal to tan 45 is the 1 plus 1 upon square root 3 upon 1 minus square root 3. Okay student, this implies that m equal to square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 upon square root 3 minus 1 upon square root 3. Okay student, this implies that m equal to square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 minus 1 upon square root 3. This will be cancelled. Finally, we find the value of m equal to square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 minus 1, which is a value of m. Okay students, here line passing through a points 2 comma 2 root 3 with the slope square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 minus 1. Okay students, also using this formula and find the equation of the straight line. Points is x comma y, x0 comma y0 is equal to 2 comma 2 root 3, m equal to square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 minus 1. Okay students, using this formula y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0, y minus y0 2 root 3 m square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 minus 1 into x minus x0 is the 2. Okay students, this implies that we multiply square root 3 minus 1 in left hand side, square root 3 y minus 2 square root 3 multiply square root 3 is the square root 3 multiply square root 3 is the 3 and also 2. This is a value of 6 and minus 1 y minus y and minus 1 into minus 2 root 3 is the plus 2 root 3 is equal to x square root 3 plus 1 minus 2 square root 3 plus 1. Okay students, this implies that square root 3 y minus y is equal to here x square root 3 plus 1 minus 2 square root 3 and minus 2 and minus 6 is the transfer in right hand side, plus 6 and plus 2 root 3 is a transfer in the right hand side, minus 2 root 3. Okay students, this implies that we take a common y, root 3 minus 1 is equal to x root 3 plus 1 and here minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 4 root 3 and minus 2 plus 6 is the plus 4. Okay students, this implies that x root 3 plus 1 minus y root 3 minus 1 and minus 4 root 3 plus 4 equal to 0. We transfer y into root 3 minus 1 in the right hand side. This implies that x root 3 plus 1 minus y root 3 minus 1. Here we take the common minus 4. -4 √3 -1 equal to 0, which is a equation of straight line passing through the points 2, 2 √3 with a slope √3 plus 1 upon √3 minus 1. In this question, given that theta equal to 75 degree, then we find the tan 75 degree. Tan 75 degree is the square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 minus 1. Okay student, this is a slope of straight line. This is a slope of straight line. You have observed that why we find the tan 75 degree, because tan 75 degree is the slope of the line. How to find tan 75 degree? Using by tan alpha plus beta formula. Okay student, tan 75 is the broken in tan 45 plus 30, and using this formula and find the value of tan 75 degree. Okay student, tan 75 degree is the square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 minus 1, which is a slope of line passing through the points 2, 2 √3 and slope square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 minus 1. Then the equation of the straight line is this, which is your answer. Okay students, let us move question number 5. Question number 5, intersecting the x-axis at the distance 3 unit to the left of origin with slope -2. That means we find the equation of straight line intersecting the x-axis at distance of 3 units to the left of origin with slope -2. Okay students, in this question find the equation of the straight line. Here straight line is the intercept 3 units in the left of the O. That means O is the origin. Okay students, the intercept here D is the 3 units. Here D is the 3 units and slope of the line is -2. Okay students, y dash x dash, then we find the equation of straight line L. Then we find the equation of straight line L. Okay students, given that given that d equal to -3, okay students, and m equal to -2, x intercept is the -3 units. That means 3 unit to left of origin. Okay students, to left of origin, using the formula y is equal to m into x minus d. Y equal to m into x minus d. Okay students, y is equal to m into x minus d. This implies that y equal to, what is the value of m? -2 and value of d -3. Okay students, this implies that the value of d equal to -3. Why? Because x intercept to the left of origin. Okay students, y is equal to -2x plus 3. This implies that y equal to -2x and -6. This implies that we transfer -2x and -6 in a left hand side. 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0, which is a equation of straight line intersecting the x axis at distance of 3 units to the left of origin with a slope -2. Okay students, this is a answer. I hope you understand this question. If you understand the question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then do yourself to try to solve remaining question of this exercise. In our next lecture, we will discuss remaining question of this exercise. Okay students, thank you.